Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can tap on the screen or press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu or shortcut menu. Now, scroll down, find the icon with the airplane on it, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and once this icon changes color, that means that the airplane mode is enabled. You can also tell by airplane mode, or rather airplane icon right here at the top of your watch face, and if you open the shortcuts menu, there's gonna be airplane icon right here at the top too. And to disable the mode, simply open the shortcuts menu again and tap on this icon again, like this. There's also different way to enable the airplane mode on your watch. For example, you can open the watch app on your iPhone. In the app, you can select General, tap on airplane mode, and here you have option called Mirror iPhone. If you enable this option, basically what it does is whenever you turn on the airplane mode on your iPhone, it also will be enabled on your watch. For some reason it didn't work this time. Maybe the app didn't sync with the... Give me a second. Let's turn it off. Go back to the app. Enable it, go back to the watch face, and now let's try again. Oh, this time it worked. As you can see, it enabled the airplane mode, and if you disable it, it will disable it too. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.